Welcome students. Today our topic is real number, and now in class 10th exercise 1.1 we have to solve question number 4. That is the very most important question in the examination point of view, because it is given many times of in your board questions paper. Then what is the question? First of all, you have to write this: use Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's means that is the name of the writers. यूक्लिड्स ने एचसीएफ को फाइंड करने के लिए एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग मेथड का यूज किया था, इसीलिए उसको यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लीमा। चूँकि डिवीजन एक शब्द आता है, इसका मतलब जब हम कभी डिवाइड करते हैं तो उसमें कोसेंट, डिविडेंड, डिवाइजर एंड रिमाइंडर मिलता है, तो उसके बीच इन्होंने एक रिलेशन स्थापित किया, दैट इज डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इनटू कोसेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर। इसी बेस पे क्वेश्चन इन्होंने दिया, यूज यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा टू शो दैट द स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज आइदर ऑफ द फॉर्म दैट इज 3m or 3m plus 1 फॉर सम इंटीजर m. सपोज दैट दिस इज सॉल्यूशन. लेट a b any positive integer. Therefore, by Euclid's division lemma, what is Euclid saying? That is a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 less than b. This one पहले यहाँ अंडरस्टैंड करिए. a is equal to bq plus r, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. तो इसी क्वेश्चन को इस फॉर्म में देखिए, 3m plus 1. तो what is divisor of this is 3. It means we have to put b is equal to 3. And therefore now we put, that is put b is equal to 3 in this is equation 1. So in equation 1, now this equation is the form, that is a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 3. This one 3, it means that is therefore r is equal to 0, 1 and 2. This one a is equal to 3q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 3 and 0 less than 3. Sorry, that is r is greater than or equal to 0 less than 3. In this case, अगर इसका रिमाइंडर अगर इसके डिवाइजर से बड़ा होगा तो देयर आवर जो हमारा डिवीजन हो जाएगा वो क्या होगा, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. इसलिए यह विशेष रूप से ध्यान देना चाहिए कि r की वैल्यू, r दैट इज रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू 0 या 0 से बड़ी हो बट डिवाइजर से छोटी हो. नाउ अब लुक हियर द क्वेश्चंस. The square of this term, that is square. So now take squaring both sides of this. So therefore a square is equal to this one 3q plus r whole square. And what is a plus b ka whole square? That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So therefore a square is equal to, that is a square plus b square plus 2a into b. Now a square is equal to 9q square plus 3 to the 6qr and plus r square. This is equation 2. Now we have to put these values. r is equal to 0, r is equal to 1, r is equal to 2. So first of all we have to put r is equal to 0. Therefore, where in equation 2, now we put a square is equal to, that is 9q square plus 6q into 0 and plus 0 square. This is equal to a square is equal to 9q square and plus 0 that is also equal to 0. Therefore, a square is equal to 9q square, and which is written in the form of this 3m. So now we have to factor the 9, that is 3 into 3q square, right? That is equal to 3m, where m is equal to 3q square for some integer q. Again put r is equal to 1 in equation 2. Now we put this a square is equal to 9q square plus 6q into 1, and that is 1 square. This is 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now this is written in the form of 3m plus 1. So take this one is, this is 1. Now this is equal to 9q square plus 6q and plus 1. Take 3 as common, 3q. That is only 3. Take only 3, not q, because nothing 3, only 3m. तो we have to find, suppose दो remaining जो बचेगा उसी को हम q मान लेंगे. तो 3, यहाँ क्या बचा 3q स्क्वायर प्लस 2q and plus 1. Therefore, this one is also equal to, this is a square is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to, that is 3q square plus 2q, which is 3q square plus 2q. Now this is proof of our questions, and first of all you see, yeah, you understand what is saying of the questions, and this is our proof.